Hello everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video. And today we have the long overdue case A highlights. Yes, it is. Totally apologize to you guys. Kind of surprised to get the B so quickly before I do a kasiloose for the case A. Yup. But there you go. Case B loaded, case A not so much. So let's start with this guy here, Bad Bagger. This is actually from the 2021 main lines. I didn't get it in the Q case, I got it in the A. Yup, just that is beautiful. Kasiloose. There you go, Bad Bagger. Love this casting. Yes, it is. Metal. Only the plastic part is here, and of course the wheels. Everything else is metal. That is so beautiful. Bad Bagger. Those who collect motorcycles, going to get this one too, right? That is beautiful. That is awesome. Yup. So that's the Bad Bagger on the HW Flame series. Nice. Moving on. Still, I didn't show you this one in the Q case highlights, but this is the casting used for the Super Treasure Hunt. This is the normal one, of course, but the color itself does looks like a Super Treasure Hunt, right? Beautiful. Shelby Cobra 427 SC kasiloose. Look at that. Look at the color itself. Wow. Even if you haven't got the Super Treasure Hunt, the color is amazing. Fantastic. Love this color. Yes, it is. So it's okay. I wish you got a Super, of course, but this is a good substitute for it. Yep. That is beautiful. Look at that. Nice. So that's the Ford Shelby 427 SC. Now we're going for the good stuff here. Not many good stuff in the A case. I'm missing a lot of new casting actually. Yup. 55 Chevy. This is used as a Super Treasure Hunt, but this is the normal one. Look at that. Nice. It's under the Chevy Bel Air subset. Look at that. That is cool. Kasiloose. The 55 Chevy. Look at that. Look at the blue there. You can see the Bel Air on the side. Big wheels at the back. A bit smaller. Actually on the back there. Look at the tone of the blue there. Beautiful. Yes, it is. You can see the lines clearly. Awesome. And the headlights. That is cool enough. Look at that. Yup. Headlights, I'm okay with it. The 55 Chevy. Sitting a bit low with a cream interior. But yeah, the wheels at the back there. It's enormous. Loving the blue tone there. Yup. So there you go, 55 Chevy. Next one, the wonderful Mazda REPU in orange. Why I like said it wonderful. Look at that. You got the headlights. Awesome. Kasiloose. There you go, nice orange there. Got a Mazda at the back, Hot Wheels trim. You can see at the back there, you got the tail lights also, rotary power. Oh, now this is nice. On the side, front and the back, but look at the front there. Beautiful, yes it is. Now this is how you do a proper Mazda REPU, right? Rotary power. That is awesome. I might say this is the best REPU in a mainline so far. Yup. Focus it a bit. Maybe we push it a bit. Look at that. That is gorgeous. The orange REPU. So we come up with the last three. Yup. That. Not many good new things in case A for me. So the next one is the Tooned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. Reuse, right? Look at that. Done by REPU, designed by REPU. So everything designed by REPU will be having this stamp, the reuse rights. Wow. New to the case, new in 2021. Doesn't say this because this is an international case. Kasiloose. There you go. Look how cute it is. Two-seater. You can see the spare tire at the back there. 5-spoke spare tire. The spoilers is part of the window piece. That is so cute. Headlights. There you go. See, there's a REPU Volkswagen. Nothing on the tail lights. White. And you can see there. 2021. Beautiful. So cute. Look at that. I don't mind doing the Tooned one based on a real car. This is awesome. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And we've got more. Ryo Asada's design, which is the Mighty K Asada Tire Shop, new in 2022. Look at that beautiful kasiloose. A very compact pickup, can be found in Japan. The small pickup. You can see the spare tires, the skateboard, the back at the back there. White Hot Wheels in katakana. Asada tire. Look at the headlights. It's a plastic piece, part of the window piece, but it's still molded nicely. That is cool. Got a intercooler down here. Is it called intercooler? Maybe. Got the side mirrors. Got the tail lights. Look at that. License plate 2022. Holy, this is so nice. Yes, it is. All in white. Ryo Asada's design is certainly wow. Focus it a bit. Beautiful and cute. That is nice. Yes, it is. Yep. And the last one, push it up a bit at the back there. Last one, Porsche 935. Not to be confused with the previous in 2020. This is a new casting. This is the latest version of the Porsche 935. Yes, it is. The kasiloose. Before showing it, let me show you the old Porsche 935, the older version. This is the Porsche 935. Yep. If you guys follow the Transformers cartoon G1, this is the Jazz transform into, right? This car here. Nice. So this is the older version. Now this is the latest version. Lacking any headlights detail, tail lights also, but this is the latest version. Let's see what does it say below. Still showing the Porsche 935, but both are different cast. There you go. Let's put it on the turntable for a comparison. I like the older model better than the new one, because the older one is just so iconic. Yes, it is. But you can see the design cues for both of the Porsche 935, the older version and the latest one. Yes, it is. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. There you go. And there you go. Case A highlights. What the guys think? For me, a lot missing from my A case. Yup. But B, now that is loaded. So for starters, this is okay. So if you haven't subscribed, notification bell button, share if you want. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and drop down your comment below what you guys think so far. And soon we're going to do a kasiloose for the B case. And talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.